exactly. I'm not. As you can see, or hear, I am constantly coughing. Wait a minute. That's an excellent topic to explore, isn't it, friends? So, in today's episode, let us find out reasons behind coughing and answer an all important question: why do we cough? Zoom in! Coughing, something we all do now and then, is one of the most common symptoms of a childhood illness that occurs due to viruses and often comes on as the last symptom of a retreating cold or viral flu.